Local SEO, the process of optimizing your online presence to attract more business from local customers. There are several benefits to optimizing your website for local SEO. 1. Increased visibility. By optimizing your website for local search, you can increase the chances that your business will appear in search results when someone is searching for a local business. This can help attract more customers to your business. 2. Greater reach. Local SEO can help you reach customers in your immediate area, but it can also help you reach customers in nearby towns or cities. 3. More targeted marketing. Local SEO allows you to target your marketing efforts to specific geographical areas, so you can focus on attracting customers who are most likely to visit your business. 4. Better user experience. Local SEO can help you provide a better user experience by providing accurate and relevant information about your business, such as your location, hours of operation, and contact information. This can help attract and retain customers who are looking for a convenient and trustworthy business. 5. Higher conversion rates. By providing a good user experience and accurate information about your business, you can increase the chances that customers will take action, such as visiting your store or making a purchase. This can lead to higher conversion rates and more business for your company.